if you're trying to log into the Roblox Studio app on your PC and you get this login failed, an error occurred while logging into Studio, please log in on the website or try again later. Now, this tutorial will guide you on how to resolve this issue. Make sure to follow the instructions very carefully. Now, if we see this error message, login failed, just select here, login via browser. Now, this will take you into the Roblox browser website. So just wait for a few seconds. And then make sure to tell you are logged in as this. It will show you here your profile. So select continue, or if it's not your profile, just select change account and make sure to log in into your account. So for me, this is my profile. So I'll click continue. That will be redirecting me to the Roblox Studio. If it doesn't redirect you, just select here open to open the Roblox Studio app. And then click the Roblox Studio app that has been opened. As you can see, I've been able to log in without any issues. So you just need to select login via browser and be able to log in into your account. Now, maybe if you've done so, but you're still facing again the same issue, you can just close this Roblox Studio application. After closing it, now follow the instruction. Try resetting your network settings. Now, to reset your network settings, if you're in Windows, you can press Window key plus I, and then select here network and the internet. Then scroll down, you'll see an option for advanced network settings. Also select advanced network settings, select network reset, and then make sure to select here reset now. Now this will try to reset your network. Now if you may be on Mac computer, you can try to turn off your Wi-Fi. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, just disconnect from your Wi-Fi and then try to reconnect it again. But if on Windows PC, just select here reset now. After reset now, then try to relaunch the Roblox Studio app and try to log in again. Now, if maybe it doesn't work, but you're still facing again the same problem, now try this another fix. Try connecting to a VPN. Now, the VPN that I recommend, you can try to just download this Cloudflare Web VPN. The link will also be available on the description. Sometimes your ISP may have issues. Now, if your ISP may have issues, this may leading to failure to log in various applications, including the Roblox Studio. So download this Cloudflare Web VPN depending on your device. If you're using Mac OS, select here Mac OS. If you're using Windows, select here Windows as well as other devices. So if you select here Windows, it will download this Cloudflare Web. And then after downloading it, make sure to install this VPN and then make sure to toggle it, the switch. You'll see the switch for the Cloudflare Web, which is normally be found here on the system tray. Just toggle on that switch for the Cloudflare Web. Then try to open the Roblox Studio while you're connected to the Cloudflare Web. Then try to check if the problem has been resolved. If you're still facing again the same issue, switch to a different network temporarily. You can use a mobile hotspot or connect to another Wi-Fi network and it will work. So sometimes you can try to switch to different network, use a mobile hotspot or a different Wi-Fi, and the issue can just be resolved. Also, you can try to configure your device to use this DNS. So enter the following DNS addresses against your network adapters. Now, if you're on Mac and you don't know on how to configure your device to use this DNS, I'll just leave the link on the description of this video for this on how to enter DNS on your Mac. So if you're on Mac, make sure to just check the link on the description. It will show you on how to just change your DNS settings. Now, if you're on Windows, follow the instruction. Press Window key plus R and then type here ncpa.cpl. Click OK. Now, so right click on your Wi-Fi and then select properties, then choose on Internet Protocol version 4 and then click properties here. So select properties, select use the following DNS server addresses. On the preferred DNS server, you type this, which is 8. Now this is Google DNS. So 8. Then you'll type 8. 4. Now after that, click OK to save changes. After saving changes, try to relaunch the Roblox Studio app while you're connected to the DNS server for Google, and then try to check if the issue has been resolved. But in most cases, I was able to resolve the issue by just logging through this Creator Hub website. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this has helped you, and see you next time.